Hey, welcome to the Bag Hag Digest. Hello beautiful bag lovers, Trina here. I'm going to share with you today what I got in this month's beauty box, subscription box from Look Fantastic. It's kind of a fake unboxing because I've actually already delved into a couple of the items because I couldn't wait, but I'll show you anyway. So first off, we got this cleansing item from Yves L'Homme, Cleanser Crème Démaquillante. This I don't think I'm going to keep, just for the reason being that it looks complicated. Warm a small amount of cleanser between your fingers and circular movements to massage on dry skin. Place the muslin cloth in hot water and wring out. Press the warm damp cloth onto the face and hold for 5 seconds to open the pores. Repeat 3 times. Rinse the cloth in warm water and remove all traces of makeup and cleanser, making circular movements. To exfoliate, rinse the cloth in cold water and reapply to the face for 5 seconds to close the pores. I'm not going to go through that much trouble. Sorry, this is moving on. I'm a soap and water type of gal. Well, that's not true. I do use a bunch of stuff, but I like my routines to be simple. And any wringing or pressing and that kind of thing, no, I'm not going to be bothered. Even if it's a miracle gel, which I highly doubt it, I'll be honest. Next, we got this little makeup item by Lord and Berry. This is a highlighter pencil, and I have tried this and I love it. You don't have to worry about powders going there. You can place it exactly where you want, like the Cupid's bow, the nose, even on the cheeks. But what I like to use it for is right under the brow, because whenever I try to put on a highlighter there, the powder gets everywhere. And you know, when you're older, I think I've mentioned this before at some point, you don't want flakes of sparkly crap going on parts where you don't want it to go. So this is excellent. I'm very happy with this one. This could be a repeat buy for me. Next we have this Phil Kingsley elasticizer. It's an intensive super conditioning pre-shampoo treatment for all hair types. Adds elasticity, manageability, bounce, and shine. Okay, conceptually that's a good idea perhaps. But you have to cover with a plastic cap and leave for 20 minutes before washing. Again, I'm not gonna do it. Okay, next we have a bath oil called Revive Morning. That's the smell. It's from Aromatherapy Associates. As you can see, I've already dipped into it. It smells fantastic. I put this with some Epsom salts in my bath and I just really enjoyed it. And apparently you can put this right on your skin too. Wonderful, wonderful. I'm really pleased with this one. Ah, yes, lovely, lovely. Next item I'm also extremely pleased with. I'd heard of this item before. I'm just taking off my ring because I want to put it on now. It's this mane and tail hoof maker hand and nail therapy. I hope there's no horse meat or oil in here. I hope it's just the name. Who knows? Maybe it's used on animals. But in any case, nothing fancy in terms of ingredients. Well, a lot of chemicals, yes. But in terms of the natural stuff, you've just got your regular, you know, your cocoa, your coconut oil, your collagen, your soya, your castor oil, that kind of stuff. But it's got a whole, most of the ingredients are things that I can't pronounce, which is not something I like to use, but here's a blob of it. This is fantastic. I have never used a hand cream this effective, I'll be honest. It really moistens the hands. This would be a repeat purchase for me as well. I have to do some research on it to find out how bad potentially it is for the skin though. But it works. It works. Very happy with this stuff. Next in the box this month we have this mud mask. Now I use I have a big tub of dried clay that I use maybe once or twice a month, and you mix it with water and slap it on your face. I think it's Aztec clay mask. It's really cheap and it's all natural and I really like that. The only problem is it gets clumpy. It's really hard to mix up. So it's only a little sample, so I'll use it, but I have a feeling that this is also full of all sorts of nasty stuff in addition to the good clay. But I do like mud masks, so I'll give it a go. And that was all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items this month. In addition, because it's their birthday month of some sort, I don't know, maybe they've been doing this for 4 years. why did I say 4? I don't know, a few years anyway. They popped some candy in here. Now I'm on a sugar, I'm on a low carb thing at the moment, so I'll pass this on as well. But that's it. That was my unboxing of the lovely Look Fantastic Beauty Ensemble. Thanks for watching. Hag signing out.